In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect your GoDaddy domain to another website. Redirecting a domain means sending anyone who visits your domain to another site entirely. This can be particularly useful if you've moved your website, renamed it, or want to direct all your domain traffic to another one. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. Firstly, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the GoDaddy website. Just type GoDaddy into your search engine and it should pop up right at the top of the results. Click on the link, and once you're on the GoDaddy homepage, you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to set one up before continuing. Once logged in, navigate to the My Products page. This page contains a list of all the domains and services associated with your account. Look through your list of domains and select the one you wish to redirect. Click on it to proceed to the domain's settings page. On the settings page, one of the first options you'll see is DNS. DNS, which stands for Domain Name System, is a foundational component for making your site go live. Click on the DNS tab, and a new page will open up with a variety of settings related to your domain. Scroll down until you locate the forwarding section. The forwarding section is where the magic happens. You'll see an option to add, or in some cases, add forwarding. Click on this link and it will initiate the redirect setup process. A field will appear where you can enter the web address, or URL, of the site you wish to redirect your domain to. Make sure to enter the complete URL, including the HTTP or HTTPS prefix, as this ensures accurate redirecting. Next, it's important to choose the type of redirect you want. There are two types: permanent, 301, and temporary, 302. If you want to signal to search engines that this redirect is intended to be long-term and is part of a permanent change, select the permanent option. However, if the redirect is just temporary, maybe while you're redesigning your website or making updates, you should select temporary. After selecting your redirect type, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button on the page and click on it. Once saved, your domain is all set to start redirecting as you've specified. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily redirect your GoDaddy domain to another website in just a few minutes. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial, and happy redirecting.